Here I've got Nokia 800 Duo, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select device, go to the battery, and now click on power saving mode. If you would like to activate it right now, just tap on and that's it. From now on your device is in power saving mode. Then if you would like to switch off low power solution, click here again and select off. You can also schedule your power saving mode, just click on turn on automatically and pick if you would like to have it on once your battery is lower than 15%, 10% or 5%. So let me pick 5%, and from now on every time the battery is lower than 5%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.